In space, even burping is a challenge. On Earth, gravity separates liquids and gases in your stomach, so when you burp, only gas comes up. But in microgravity, like aboard the International Space Station, that separation does not happen. So if you try to burp, you might actually throw up because gas and liquid float together. Astronauts call this a wet burp, and they do their best to avoid it. That is one reason space food is carefully designed to reduce gas buildup. Carbonated drinks are banned for this exact reason. Imagine trying to burp soda in zero gravity. It is just one of the many odd changes your body experiences in space, from muscle loss to changes in taste. Even the simple things become complex when gravity disappears. Want to know amazing facts? Subscribe for more.